Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the appointment configuration in Invent ERP. Let's get started. From the main menu, head to Appointments. Then click on Configuration. Here, you'll be able to manage all your appointment settings. Let's begin with appointment types. In this page, you'll see a list of all your existing appointment types. To create a new one, click Add. Start filling in the details. Don't forget to add your default products. Once everything looks good, click Create to save it. Now let's move on to bookable items. Here, you'll find a list of your bookable resources, whether they are rooms, providers, or services. To add a new one, click Add. Fill in the required details. When you're done, click Create to save it. Finally, head to Appointments. And that's it, you've successfully explored the appointment configuration in Invent ERP.